Hello guys, I'm just gonna be showing you for fun. I don't know what I'm gonna be showing you, but I just want to hang out. This is my mom. What?
5, 6. I got 6.
Okay. This is my bunny. Her name is Bugs. I just got her for my birthday. This is her little cage.
You got my phone?
This is her. Yes. See? Look at the little munchkin. I call her munchkin because she's fat. See? Aww. Aw, so cute, right? Comment down below and think is she cute or no? Here, take her out. Come here, Mama. This is her. See? See? Hey. See how cute? This is all fuzzy. It's so fuzzy. What are you? Ouch! Oh, just step on a cold. I'm scared.
I don't have peeing on there.
She's not.
It's fuzzy and furry. You might.
That's my mom right there.
Don't put me on the internet.
Ugh. She doesn't want me on the internet, and I'm about to eat dinner. There you jump. Let's see if she's gonna jump off.
Now she's going to pee in your blanket. I mean, your coat.
Look at the eyeball. Okay. Okay, come on, going back in the cage. Come here. She's being crazy.
Calm down.
Look at how fat and cute. Am I right, ladies and
Calm
gentlemen?
down, Bugs. You're
Just
staying in
joking.
here for now.
Yeah, crazy pants right now.
Don't eat.
Okay, I'm gonna eat now.
Get off.
This is my mom
I
right
don't
here.
want me.
Okay,
Don't do that.
fine. My dad's out there. With
Are
his
you in my
Hummel.
video? It's
Right
going to take up all my
there.
memory. Shut it off.
Okay, guys. I'm eating Tato Tots and.
I need my phone.
I
because
just
you're gonna
wanted
call me. Get off.
I'm okay. And bye. Hit thumbs button, but this is a stupid video. Bye.